your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
All right, today I'm at Moranbah Magistrates Court. It's about 2 hours west of Mackay, but I actually flew direct to Moranbah last night. Ordinarily, given the cost of flights, normally you can fly to Los Angeles cheaper than you can Moranbah direct, but I actually got some good flight prices, so I flew in direct for once. Client was charged with high range drink driving, reading a .190. It was a first offence. He was not eligible to apply for a work licence, given the cut-off for that's .150. Worst case is a lifetime loss of licence. Mandatory minimum is 6 months, but with readings of .190, it's unreasonable to expect the minimum. As I said, that kicks in at .150, whereas .19 is well past that. Obviously, my job was one of getting the disqualification down as low as possible, but also given we works in mining, that's a global sector with a need to go overseas if you've got work overseas. So he had concerns about the recording of a conviction as well. So my job was one of A, getting the disqualification down as low as possible, and B, pushing for no conviction recorded. With regard to conviction, drink driving, even at readings of .190, is not a criminal offence. It's a traffic offence, so you don't get a criminal conviction, but you ordinarily get a traffic conviction. So because a traffic conviction is of lesser consequence than a criminal conviction, it's harder to get. So criminal convictions cause more problems for people, and for that reason it can be easy to get no conviction recorded. But with traffic offences, given it's hard to show that it causes significant detriment, it can be difficult to get no traffic conviction recorded. But for a number of reasons that I'm not going to go through now, in addition to the sector he works in, I thought it appropriate to push for no conviction recorded, notwithstanding the reading. With regard to preparation, we got our client to do the course we get all of our clients to do, got him to get references based on a template we provide all of our clients. I prepared my submissions yesterday before flying up. As I said, flew up yesterday afternoon, met the client at court this morning. There's no real conference room here, but we just grabbed a bit of space out the front of the court building, ran through my submissions, the procedure, what you can expect the prosecutor to say, procedurally what the magistrate's likely to say. I pushed hard for the last possible disqualification that I could, and I also pushed hard for no conviction recorded. I received quite a bit of resistance from the magistrate on the issue of not recording conviction, primarily because it's not a criminal matter, and I really did have my work cut out for me. I sort of dodged and weaved between a few key points, which I'm not going to go through now, but as I said, I had my work cut out for me and had to work quite a bit harder than I expected I would. And to be honest, the magistrate didn't give much away during the actual court hearing, so I wasn't sure which direction they were going in. But the short version is I was successful on both fronts. A, in getting the disqualification down as low as possible. I was able to persuade the magistrate to not go past the mandatory minimum 6 months, so he got a 6-month disqualification for his reading of .190, and I was also successful in persuading the magistrate not to record a conviction. So for a reading of .190, 6-month disqualification, which is the mandatory minimum, no conviction recorded, modest fine. Client's obviously very relieved and very happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman at Moranbah Magistrates Court. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle imprisonment, or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the wise man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving?